Got spoilers to reduce speed.
Right, we're back at 9,500.
Lovely. Speed
Right,
is reducing to 160. That's lovely. Let's get them speed brakes nice and armed.
We'll on the approach.
Okay, see, landing lights are on. Yep, we're good.
Might as well go full.
Yep. I will,
Okay, I'll set the go around altitude.
no problem.
11,500.
Runway sighted.
And I'll set 230 on here just so you know roughly where to go.
Roger that.
It'll probably go off
2,500.
at some point anyway.
No problem. I'll be controlling all the landing gear and everything. You just focus on buttons for now, please.
Yep. Landing gear down. They've gone down for you, correct?
Nope.
Okay, you'll have to put them down.
They are going down now. So, auto brake set medium, speed brake is armed, landing lights on, taxi lights set on. Got 3 green on gears.
Yep, same. Turn the anti-ice off now. Okay, you can see the radius thing.
Yep.
Yep. So before, by the time you get to that, you want to be at 230 already.
Copy
Heading
that.
230. But obviously you don't want to be too early, otherwise you'll hit a mountain.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Runway's still in sight. Visibility is clearing up.
Oh, wonderful.
So once we come close to the runway, I'm going to take it manual and fly that in.
That's fine.
I've reduced speed a little bit. So got all the landmarks in sight.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Lovely. What a
That's nice.
yeah,
Isn't it?
what a dick. Pardon my language there to anybody who's going to watch this.
Okay, you want to start your turn now.
My aircraft.
Remember maintaining, well, you've got to get to 3,500. Sorry, 3,700, and you've got to maintain it there till you get past the church, which I'll brief you on when we get there. It's alright if you're a little off, as long as, you know, we're not hitting mountains.
Yeah, yeah. Landing speed's going to be 145. $3,500 almost.
Are you not circling?
Nah, I was going in.
Oh, yeah. Pussy.
Yep, I know.
Alright, continue then.
1,000.
You're a bit high.
Yep, I've been working on it.
$500. 400. 300. 200.
God.
100. 40. 30. 20. Retard. 5.
Reverse
Go,
green.
reverse green.
$60 knots. Manual brake.
Yep.
I don't know what's going on with the lights and the scenery of this place, but it is not looking nice.
Oh well, at least we're here.
Yep, we are.
Let's start the APO.
Vacating runway.
Lights off.